Texas seems a long way away on this rainy Wednesday morning in Poznan. But in his head, Viktor Yarka is already in the Lone Star State. Ironically, his work colleagues there are all in bed. Four years ago, Yarka completed his degree in economics and information technology. He got a job as a programmer with a Poznan company, but that didn't work.
The problem was they stopped paying me at some point, even though I was doing my job and everything. So I met with my friends once and they recommended me the website.
Yarka decided to go freelance and look for work with the help of a website called Odesk. A young entrepreneur from the US got in touch.
He was having more work than he could handle, and I knew some people that could do a good development work in Poland.
At first, Yarka did the work himself. But what was a two-man operation has grown into a company with 25 employees in both the US and Poland. Their customers are companies who want online shops.
Poznan is mainly about creating the software, writing code. Like all we have here is programmers and testers. And the United States office is mostly about getting us clients, so sales.
The programmers in Poznan work together with their American colleagues using cloud technology. This is part of a major global trend. Companies save their data on central servers that are connected via the internet. Cloud computing is one reason Poznan is booming. Critics may object that clouds aren't a safe place to store data, but there's no turning back the clock where this technology is concerned. Another person who works in the clouds of Poznan is 30-year-old Viktor Schmidt, a trained engineer. 5 years ago, he started a company called NetGuru. He creates apps, designs websites, and maintains online portals for companies abroad.
So the clients come to us with a project, with an idea, with a specification, and what we do is make sure that from the technical point of view, they're covered, all the work is done properly. They need to take care of the business.
Companies don't need to buy expensive software or employ full-time experts of their own.
Most of our clients are around Europe, so most of them will be UK, Ireland, Germany, and a few in the US. You can treat us as somebody who's basically sitting in a different room, but this room is not, in the same office. It's just somewhere else.
NetGuru now has just under 50 employees, and the company plans to expand in the coming years. Poland, formerly an agricultural nation, has become an IT hotspot. Bartek Branewski and Dawid Keciora also service customers, from the US to Dubai. Polish computer experts work for lower wages than their peers elsewhere, and their training is highly rated.
For example, University of Technology, which majority of our developers graduated from, is also very known for its releasing quality graduates.
With demand so high, programmers are in short supply in Poznan. So Branewski and Keciora have opened an affiliate in Kharkiv, Ukraine.
There are just limited number of people you can hire, and that's it. So you have to find the other people somewhere else. Now this is a different idea of outsourcing that people usually consider, because when they think outsourcing, they think cheap.
Polish entrepreneurs are trying to establish a reputation for high-quality work. Viktor Schmidt meets up with colleagues and fellow programmers. Most come from the region. The idea is to maintain a network. Most of these young people have already spent time abroad.
I spent a year in Dublin, and it was really interesting to see this thing growing, and coming back here, I can really see the same thing going on.
Thanks to new technologies, these people no longer have to leave home to find work. They now work on Cloud9.